You might be unknown to the term trepanning, but must have heard about those small holes found in the skulls of some ancient skeletons. Interesting? Hang on, it's about to get a lot weirder. Hello and welcome to the very first episode of our latest series, Shocking Medical History, exclusively on Genius Insight. Let's get started. Trepanning or trepanation is a surgical intervention in which a hole is drilled or scraped into the human skull. Trepanning literally translates as a borer in Greek. It is explained that the intentional perforation of the cranium exposes the dura mater, a thick membrane made of dense, irregular connective tissue that surrounds the brain and spinal cord, to treat health problems related to intracranial diseases or to release pressured blood built up from an injury. Although it may also refer to any burr hole created through other body surfaces, including nail beds. The evidence of trepanning was first observed in 1865, when an archaeologist received a skull with a perfectly drilled hole as a gift. The skull was brought in from the burial grounds of Inca Peru. E. George Squire, our archaeologist, then brought the Peruvian skull to Europe for further examination. After examining and consulting some surgical experts, it was certain that the hole in the skull was due to trephination, and the patient actually survived for a while after the procedure. A number of skulls in a Neolithic gravesite were found with roundish holes 2 or 3 inches wide. The skulls had scalloped edges, as if they had been scraped with a sharp stone. Even more remarkable, discs of skulls of the same size as the holes were found in these sites. Some of the discs had small holes bored in them, perhaps for stringing as amulets. Although a few of the discs had been chiseled out after death, in most cases it was clear from the scar formation at the wound's edge that the interval between surgery and death must have been years. Yep, unexpected. In modern times, it'll be our worst nightmare if someone were to drill a hole in our skull, even for the sake of some treatment. Tell me, would you undergo something like this if you are forced to? Comment down on this video and share to see what your friends have to say about it. Press that like button if you found it worthy of your time in any way. See you in another video. Keep your inner genius alive.